Why does a biogenesis need to happen? Biogenesis, for those who did not know it yet, denotes life from life and contrasts with abiogenesis, which in turn connotes life from non-living matter. In short, abiogenesis is the premise all life evolved from carbo-hydrate macromolecules forming from off-gassing underwater lava ducts, while biogenesis would be comparable to the premise that mitochondrial and ribosomal and even bacteriophage organizing life forms may have crashed here on space debris at pivotal moments in the evolution of life on Earth, causing gradated or stepped evolutionary leaps. Thus, the debate between these competing premises hinges on the idea of panspermia, or the ability for microbial life forms to survive in deep space, interstellar conditions being carried along on comets and asteroids for millions of years before happening to seed a fertile planet. I personally support the premise of panspermia in the plural having happened multiple different times throughout our planet's history. It seems entirely likely to me that all current life forms on Earth have evolved for the same amount of time to become what they are, and that all life forms, plant, animal, or human, are hybrids of bacteria-like tissues over and around a virus-like organizing template. Trees have roots, trunks, and branches, and animals have limbs, torsos, and brains because bacteriophage virus cells first had pincers, a rudimentary digestive tube, and an icosahedral DNA head. This much seems intuitive to me, but may be a confusion of an even more complex truth in reality. To do your actual question justice, though, it doesn't seem that biogenesis is 100% necessary for life as we know it to form from inert inanimate chemical materials. However, whether this is what actually happened in our own case remains seemingly unlikely, to me at least.